When refinishing a piece of furniture, the hardware on it can be one of the most important things that can really make or break the piece. I got this dresser here from Facebook Marketplace probably about 2 months ago now. It's almost finished. Right now, all I have left to do is to refinish the old hardware on it. Thought I would reuse the old hardware because I really like the look of it. It doesn't look old and it's real metal, and it just overall looks pretty nice. And here is what I'm working with. I do think these look pretty nice, and I would hate to throw them away. So I think they'll look really good in either a matte black or some sort of bronze color, but I think they will look the best in a matte black. What do you think? So if you have some old hardware like this and you want to reuse them, this is how I would do it. What is most important when redoing hardware is to scuff up the surface of the hardware pieces. This one needs to be scuffed up and sanded just a little bit more. I have the other ones here that are pretty much done. They could probably be touched up just a little bit more, but the idea is to scuff up, rough up the surface a little bit, so when I go and take my spray paint that I'll be using, the paint will adhere to the surface of the scuffed hardware. Now, depending on whether your pieces of hardware is metal, wood, aluminum, generally if I have metal hardware that I want to refinish, I'll go somewhere between a 400 grit sandpaper down to a 120 grit sandpaper, somewhere in between there. There's no really specific grit. Sometimes you do have to experiment depending on the type of hardware that you're wanting to refinish. But for this case, 220 grit, because that's just what I have on hand here. So here's what the piece of hardware looks like right now before, and I'm gonna scuff it up using some sandpaper. You can also use a Scotch-Brite, it's called. It's kind of like a wiry feeling, like sponge looking thing. This is a Scotch-Brite right here. I know you can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. You can use it on wood, you can use it on metal, you can use it on aluminum. And of course, before you get started, you want to make sure to clean the surface of the hardware that you're about to be sanding. I like to use a product called Simple Green. It's an all general purpose cleaner. You can use it on wood, you can use it on metal. Here's what it looks like so far. The handle here. It's a little shiny, it's a little scuffed up. But that's kind of what I'm looking for right here for the rest of the piece. So far, I think I've covered mostly everything I wanted to say. If you have any questions, be sure and comment down below. And also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Garrett. I upload a video every Sunday at 7 p.m. I like to refinish and flip furniture for a profit, or I like to refinish these pieces and give them to my friends. So if any of that sounds good to you, please subscribe, like the video too. A lot goes into making these videos, and a lot goes into these projects that I do. Thank you so much. Here's how we're looking after about 5 minutes worth of hand sanding. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but the idea is just to get most of it scuffed up. Right now I'm going to clean all these off with my Simple Green, and then I'm gonna stick these through a piece of cardboard, and we're gonna get to painting here. Altogether, I ended up doing 4 coats of this black spray paint. Here's the spray paint that I used, and here is the end result. If you want to see the dresser put all back together, be sure and check out this upcoming video within the next couple of weeks. And go on over to the channel and check out all the other projects that I have done. Done quite a few dressers and other projects just like this. Go on over and check them out. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching this video, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, have a great day.